Alright guys, I am back. So why am I only able to record 17 minutes now? Yo, there's a lot of... Oh! Look how much rain there are! The wind kind of calmed down, but not over there. Look at the street. Sorry. You can barely see it. There's rain flying everywhere. Oh, the wind's coming back. Yo, when I move my head around, it looks like the wind, like the air is like shaking. It's so weird. It doesn't happen on you, but for me. Oh, God! Yo, by the way, the wind is going that way. My goodness. I was just playing. Oh! Big one? That was a big flash. Okay, I gotta sit down. I have to sit down. I can't handle my foot. My foot is hurting so bad. I would open the window, but there's gonna be too much water coming in here. And also, I wouldn't be able to close it. Oh! You guys know there'll be a flash? Oh, God. And that one was kind of close. And another flash right after the sound came in. Oh, guys, here's a little cool thing you can do. So if you see the flash, like the light from the lightning, and you as soon as you see it, count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and the amount of Mississippis there are, that's how many miles away that the lightning strike was. Yo, there's so much water coming off that house roof. You guys can't see it well. But yeah. I'm really hoping lightning will strike right there. I'm kind of hoping there will be a lightning strike right there, but I can't get that angle. Actually, I can. How is that balancing? It's not hanging on the window, but I'm still scared it'll fall. There's so much wind right now. Okay, guys, we might get a tornado watch. There's no doubt. Or flash flood. We might. Ow! I hurt my foot. Ow! Man, I'm hurt. I hurt myself a lot today. Come on, give us another big flash. No. Zapdos, use Thunderbolt. I think Kyogre activated his Primordial Seed. Oh! Now that's what we need to hear more of. Guys, there's one thing I'm worried about. So if lightning strikes that tree and the tree's coming down, it will either go down on our driveway and hit our van, or come straight towards me. When that thing's coming towards me, I am dashing out the room. I am taking my tablet, which I used to record, and I am I heard something weird. Oh, there's another flash. But I am dashing out of this room when lightning strikes. I'm in my bedroom right now. Wait, what am I doing? I have a chair right here. I have a chair. I could just use this. Well, I play with my bouncy ball. we need to pay attention for some lightning. I have one of those windows that has that screen. That has a screen like behind it. So it prevents mosquitoes from coming in. I have those types of windows. Oh, the wind calmed down. I guess that's a good sign. And hang on, wait. And there's so much water in it, I can barely see out of it. I could see out of it, but barely. It's like a bunch of pixels. That's what it looks like. I saw another flash. It was so dim though. Oh God, I did not know that was loaded. I have a Nerf gun, because why not? Here. Oh my God, it knocked my bouncy ball off. Oh, big flash. Big. That one kind of worries me. It sounded like a car crash. Yeah, it just knocks my bouncy ball right off. That's pretty awesome. Oh! Big boom. Oh, more big boom. The reason why you guys can hear the thunder, because lightning is so hot. Like, I believe it's, this storm chaser said, the heat from lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. Surprisingly. But if you get struck by lightning, most of the time, well, I think it's a 50-50 chance of you dying. Because, oh God, there's a big boom. Big boom. Yep. I have never seen this much lightning. I've witnessed a bunch of storms, but not like this. Okay, so here's a story that my mom told me. So one time, I believe it was in Algeria, the biggest state in Africa, or country, I forget all the time. But she told me, it was at like nighttime, the clouds were pitch black, just pitch black. And it was close to the surface. And the first storm I witnessed, well, not my first time ever seeing a storm, but like the first one, like 1 out of 5 of these storms, it was kind of like hers, but my mom's storm, it was way worse. Like the first storm before this one, like this is the 5th storm this week. No, wait, no. Like, this was some storm. Oh God, that was a big flash. I saw that one at the corner of my eye, and boom! Is the wind going the other way? Do we have a funnel? Not a funnel, like a supercell. Do we have a supercell? It's a powerful rotating storm. That's what a supercells are, I believe. They have a chance of spawning tornadoes because a tornado starts as a funnel, and a funnel is a tornado before it touches the ground, and when the funnel touches the ground, it's a tornado. Yeah, I watch YouTube all the time. I watch YouTube every day. When I say every day, I mean literally every day. I lost my basketball. Yeah. Well, the storm kind of calmed down. Well, the wind at least. Lightning, kind of. I mean, there's still some thunder going on. I mean, there's gonna be one right now. Told you! So yeah, I did record a video of the storm, which is the first one before this. I mean, there was other thunder, but it wasn't as bad as this. I knew the bad one was going to be coming back again. Oh, that was a double. Oh, I'm called that. I think that's medium flash. I got another nerf gun right here. Oh, it also does that. Oh, stay there. Yeah, the lightning did not calm down one bit. But the wind definitely did. Of course, right as I say that, the wind comes back. Of course. Literally, right after I say it, the wind calmed down, the wind gets strong again. Guys, please leave a like on this video. Because, oh God, we might be getting a tornado. I doubt it. But we might. I'll say it's a small chance. We might be getting a tornado watch, but not a tornado warning. And just so you know, guys, we don't have a basement in this house. We don't have a basement. Literally, the safest room in here is my closet. That's the safest thing, but there's a lot of stuff in there I'll get hit with. So I would say the safest room in this house is the bathroom right near me. That's the safest room in my house. I'm not even exaggerating. See, if there's a tornado warning, I am taking my tablet and everything I love, taking it with me. I'm getting the portable mattress, and I am covering it up myself. I'll hammer it down if I have to. Hey guys, did you know from a tornado there was a bus that was carried I cannot speak. A bus was carried half a mile from a tornado from its original starting place. The wind calmed down, but it's gonna start up again, right? Nope, I mean the leaves are moving, but that's from the rain. Okay, the wind kind of calmed down. That's a good thing. What? Oh my God! So I threw my bouncy ball. Look how it landed. Oh, more thunder. Stay like that. Whoa! Why was that one close? That wasn't even a big flash. You know what I might do for the end of this video? I might go outside, but not like outside. Like there's a place right there I can go at and stay there to avoid the rain. And no, I'm not going under that tree. That's dangerous. Give me my bouncy ball. Oh, that was kind of a big flash. Big boom. Now, it's coming. Okay, this is getting boring. The rain is actually calming down, which is a surprise. Oh! Yo, that moved my tablet. That moved my tablet. That one moved my tablet. That might have been the strongest one yet. I want to see a close-up lightning strike. Just letting you know, guys, no matter how far the lightning strikes are, it vibrates my window. I'm not even exaggerating. Oh wait, my window's drying up somehow. I can see really clearly through it. Yo, my entire garden is just flooded. Oh my god! Yo! Oh my god! Guys! Oh god, big boom. Look! That part is flooded! That part is just flooded, and that's what's flooding my garden. Look, it's just flooded! Yeah, we might be getting a flash flood. Which I ain't cool about. It's like a little mini flood right there. I never seen this much. Oh my god, that part's flooded. Look at that part of my garden. It's just flooded. This is the most insane storm I've witnessed, I think. Yep, this is definitely the most insane storm I witnessed today. I'm not even exaggerating. I never seen a storm like this. I never seen so much rain. I don't think I've seen this much. Oh, God. This is just crazy. Guys, leave a like and subscribe. So that way, especially you guys who are in this storm, this storm is probably going to keep on going. Like, way after this video ends and gets uploaded. Because this is just insane. Is that a bug? I swear a bug just went on my van. It's like, yeah, this will protect me from the rain. Oh, God. Yeah, Mr. Bug, you probably want to get out of there. Yeah, I don't think we're going to go out and get a car wash today. In fact, they're probably closed. They probably closed like in the middle of the storm.